Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the Tesla Model Y expert review. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. Think of the Tesla Model Y as an SUV-ified Model 3. Although this compact luxury crossover shares key styling cues and features with Tesla's smaller sedan, it's arguably the more important vehicle given its popular body style. Introduced for model year 2020, the Model Y is available with various AWD powertrain configurations and either 5 or 7 seats. Tesla doesn't follow the convention of updating its vehicles on a model year cadence like other automakers do. Even so, what could be considered the 2023 Model Y might get some major updates, but you won't ever see them. One potential is for the addition of a new standard range version, a product of Tesla's factory in Austin, Texas. Those would ride on a structural battery pack filled with 4,680 series cells, which should enable a 279-mile range. These Model Y versions could also contain huge castings that greatly reduce the number of individual chassis components used. Additionally, the infotainment system might get a new chipset that makes its responses even faster. Crazy fast plaid models and radical falcon doors sure are cool, but what really matters for Tesla is making a vehicle that's more mass market, family focused, and gimmick free. The brand needs a vehicle that meets the requirements of as many drivers as possible. That vehicle is the Model Y. Compared to the relatively traditional Model 3 sedan, the Model Y SUV broadens its appeal with a raised seating position, plenty of cargo space, and seats for up to 7, though we'd stick with the 5-seat version. Those advantages let it compete in the hot-selling compact luxury SUV segment. Yet the Model Y is still undeniably a Tesla, delivering the rousing performance, impressive battery capabilities, and futuristic features that make the brand's vehicles so popular. However, its undeniable Tesla-ness isn't necessarily a good thing overall. Build quality is a concern. The autopilot and full self-driving systems can lead to dangerous situations if the driver relies too heavily on the tech. Then there's the matter of Tesla's top executive, whose entrepreneurial genius is contrasted by his unpredictable behavior online. Tesla is a car company like no other, and the Model Y is a vehicle like no other, but that's changing. Rival automakers are finally rolling out electric crossovers built specifically to compete with the Model Y. Those could turn the tables on Tesla, but for now, taken on its own merits, the Model Y is a remarkable vehicle. With its 2 motors spinning out instant electric torque, the Model Y is one of the quickest small SUVs you can buy. In Motor Trend testing, the 384 horsepower, 376 lb-ft Model Y long range accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. The Model Y performance packs 456 horsepower and 497 lb-ft, which cuts the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint down to 3.5 seconds. In NHTSA testing, the Model Y earned a 5-star overall safety score, the highest possible rating. Likewise, the IIHS deemed it a 2022 Top Safety Pick Plus, the best possible designation. Autopilot, Tesla's suite of driver assist and active safety features, is standard on the Model Y. It combines adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Choosing the enhanced autopilot system adds semi-autonomous driving and parking, and automatic lane changing. Then there's Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) system, which is claimed to enable fully hands-free driving. However, there's extensive evidence that Tesla's driver assist features don't do what their names imply. The company is coming under regulatory pressure to prove that autopilot and FSD are safe enough to use on public roads. The Model Y has 5 seats as standard, and an optional 3rd-row seat gives it space for 7 occupants. However, legroom in the 3rd row is just 26.5 inches. If you need a 3-row electric SUV, it's better to step up to the Model X. In standard 5-seat configuration, passenger and cargo space in the Model Y is ample. Given the Model Y's minimalist interior design, its 15.0-inch infotainment touchscreen really stands out. It controls almost every vehicle feature, including media, navigation, climate control, and you can even use it to play video games. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are not available, but the user interface is good enough without those. Future improvements to the system can be made via over-the-air updates. The Model Y has 2 USB ports in each row of seats, as well as one in the glove box, and 2 wireless chargers. High-end models come with a 14-speaker audio system. The 2 Model Y versions available now are fairly close in price, but Tesla vehicle MSRPs change frequently. The basic Model Y long range goes for about $66,000, and the performance variant starts at just below $70,000. All things considered, the long range is our recommendation. If the standard range version becomes available, it could be priced closer to $60,000. Tesla now makes vehicles without steering wheels. No, not because their self-driving features are so good. Rather, it's because the Model S and Model X are equipped with a so-called steering yoke.